quick recapitulation of IGST rules. Rule number 1 to rule number 9 are as follows. Now look here, rule number 1 is what? Title of the rule. Integrated Goods and Services Tax Rules, 2017. Rule number 2, definitions. Whatever defined in the Act of IGST or the CGST will be applicable for these rules also. Rule number 3, what it titled. Rule number 3 speaks advertisement services to central government, to state government, to union territory, to local authority, to statutory body, where it specifically falls under section 12, subsection 14 of IGST. Location of supplier and location of recipient of service from taxable territory. If more than one state or more than one UT advertisement has been rendered, each state or UT is a place of supply where we have the valuation of each state, how must be apportioned. The value, considered value is given, contract not specifically mentioned, assigned state-wise values. In that case, you take the basis of dash. Rule number 3. Rule number 3 of IGST rule speaks that, in that case, advertisement in the newspaper, number of editions, advertisement in a particular pamphlet, diary, number of diaries printed, or advertisement through particular hoardings, number of hoardings of each state, advertisement through on train, then the train travelled in a state, the track through which the train travelled is the basis. If the advertisement on railway ticket, number of railway stations of the state, yes sir, no my dear, we discussed no my dear sir. And further, if the advertisement on utility bills, number of subscribers or number of consumers of the particular service in the state is the base. Advertisement through radio, then in that case contract specifically assign the values of each state. If advertisement through television channels, then viewership data of the state or the UT is the base by lifting from broadcast audience council research. Is clear? In that case, for the current quarter, I have to take the data previous quarter last week. Is clear? If the region wise data comprising more than 1 or 2 states, in that case you have to bifurcate by using population of the region as a base. Is clear, sir? There like that advertisement through cinema theatre, number of screens, advertisement through the particular internet, in that case number of subscribers is the base. Advertisement through SMS, then number of subscribers, like that we discussed on that. Further, we concluded this rule number 3. Rule number 4 of IGST talks about here, you please refer section 12.3. 12.3 class A, class B, class C and class D, where place of is equal to location of the property, or if the property outside India, location of recipient. If more than one state, in that case more than UT, considered value is given. How to bifurcate the value? The value should be as referred the rule number 4. Rule number 4. There the basis, if it is single property in a contiguous states, 2 contiguous states, 2 or more contiguous states, in that case number of area occupied that property in each state will be the basis. If it is more than one property, more than one state or UT, in that case number of nights the property is given for rent, means per day per room basis is the basis. Number of nights is clear, my dear sir. If it is through a particular houseboat or a vessel, in that case the time spent by the boat or houseboat or vessel in each state is the base. Is clear? Or premises, property is given for conducting of an event by immovable property owner. In that case, number of the square feet area occupied by the property where the event has been conducted. is the base. Is clear, sir? Thereafter we to referred rule number 5. Rule number 5 talks about here, refer section 12.7. Organizing of an event. If organizing of event, place of is equal to the location of recipient. If the recipient is a registered person, unregistered person, then location event actually held. If held outside India, it goes back to location of recipient. If more than one state or UT, the basis of apportion. Generally accepted accounting principle says rule number 5. Is clear, my dear sir? Thereafter, rule number 6. It refers to section 12.11. Section 12.11 talks about telecommunication services. Place of supply in the case of fixed line is equal to the way the lines has been installed. If it is a postpaid billing address, prepaid voucher were sold. If prepaid sold through internet billing address. Is clear? If in that case is a more than one state or UT, how to bifurcate? Consolidated values means number of points installed in each state will be the basis. Is it clear? Then rule number 7. Rule number 7 of this refers to section 13 subsection 3. Class A, class B. Class A says service rendered on tangible goods. If so, on the same goods service has been rendered more than one state or UT, in that case the whatever considered value apportion equally between the states or UTs. If it is performance service rendered on the goods, different type of goods, in that case the invoice values of the goods, invoice value of the goods purchased by the person who owner of the goods will be the basis to apportion the values. Is clear as if further service rendered on the individuals 13.3b performance where performance based supply, if more than one state or UT, in that case you have to consider generally accepted accounting principle to bifurcate the values. Is what rule number 7 speaks. Correct, my dear sir? Rule number 8 refers to section 13 subsection 4, immovable property. Immovable property means what? Refer to rule number 4. Whatever understandability you understand for bifurcation of the considered value will be mutandis applicable in the rule number 8. Likewise, rule number 9, which talks about section 13 subsection 5, namely location of supplier or location of recipient from outside India, where it is talks specifically admission to or organizing of event. Considered value, how to bifurcate? Please refer rule number 5 of IGST. What is explained in rule number 5? Mutati. Mutandi is applicable to rule number 9. As simple as that. 9 rules in your hand. आपके मुट्ठी में होना चाहिए. Your kaikulli. మీ పిడికిలో చేయాలి. Got the clarity, my dear friends? With this, IGST rules is concluded under the place of supply. As a whole, place of supply explanation also be concluded. Is clear?